Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in to Operation Ignite's 9th episode brought to you by Kreative Kiddos.
To start, I'm Aiden.
Hi, I'm Alicia.
I'm Wabi.
I'm Timothy.
And hi, I'm Andre.
We can't wait to get into two exciting experiments, one being based around exothermic chemical reactions with elephant toothpaste.
And the other being based on surface tension and with soap-powered boats.
So, without further ado, let's get into the first experiment of the day.
Have you ever seen something so gigantic emerge from something so small out of a bottle as elephant toothpaste?
For this experiment, you will need a plastic bottle, 6% solution hydrogen peroxide, a spoon of dry yeast, 4 tablespoons of warm water, dish soap, a funnel, food coloring, a cup, and goggles.
To begin, pour half a cup of your hydrogen peroxide into your plastic bottle.
Next, select a color and add 10 to 12 drops of coloring into your bottle. If you wish to make a color from primary colors, you can add 6 drops of one color and 6 of another.
Now, after that, you're going to pour in a spoon of dish soap and rotate the bottle to mix everything.
Step aside from the bottle now and turn your focus towards a smaller cup. In this cup, combine the dry yeast and water, stirring slightly until the texture reaches an optimal thickness, not too thin, not too thick.
Now, we must combine the two concoctions with the funnel. Pour the mixture from the small yeast-containing cup into the bottle by way of the funnel to get an explosive result.
The science behind this experiment is that the yeast mixture serves to separate the oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide has both hydrogen and oxygen, and the breakage of the oxygen from the hydrogen prompted this release.
In addition, the heat was released, making this reaction exothermic, and the breakdown of hydrogen peroxide is known as a decomposition reaction.
Let's start the second experiment with a fun fact. The first working steam engine was constructed in 1807 by American inventor Robert Fulton, and this is related to our experiment, which is building a boat.
So for this experiment, you will need a container of water, a bottle of dish soap, a pair of scissors, a toothpick, and some thin cardboard.
Well then, let's get started. First, we cut out boats from the milk carton.
Then you want to cut a small notch at the back of the boat in the middle of the rear edge. Then place the boat near the edge of the container or sink full of water.
Add a small amount of dish soap in the notch at the end of the boat via a toothpick. The boat.
The boats vary the water surface tension with soap. The attraction of water molecules to each other, which is cohesion, can be weakened by the addition of soap or detergent. The attraction between the water particles at the water surface produces surface tension. The soap reduces the surface tension of the water around it, and you can use the cohesion to make a boat powered by surface tension.
Oh goody, I mean, with all of this stuff, we'd be doing Fulton proud, right?
Thank you all for tuning in to this Operation Ignite episode.
We hope that you have really enjoyed all the past episodes and experiments that they featured. Unfortunately, this will be our last episode after almost a year of video making.
However, we hope to do a ton more stuff in person for even more exciting activities.
Thank you again to anyone and everyone who has tuned into this series.
Bye.